In this example, we are asked to find the 5-number summary for the data set. So we want to start by making sure that our data is in order from least to greatest, and in this case it is. So that makes it really easy to find our minimum and our maximum, because the minimum is just the smallest number in our data set, which would be the first number in our data set. And the maximum is the greatest number in our data set, which would be the last number in our data set. So right away we've got 2 numbers that we can fill in. Now to find the median, we want to find the number that's directly in the middle of our data set. So I'm going to count up how many numbers I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we divide 8 by 2, we get 4. So I'm going to move in 4 from this side and 4 from this side. That means that the number right there in the middle between 13 and 15 would be our median. Now in this case, there's only one whole number that appears between 13 and 15, which would be 14. So 14 is our median. If you're ever not sure how to find the median in that case, take the 2 numbers and add them up and divide them by 2. We would get 28 over 2, which is 14. And 14 is directly in the middle between 13 and 15. We can use that now to find our upper and lower quartiles. I'm going to use the 4 numbers that are left over. Because 13 and 15 were not actually our median, we can use them to find our lower quartile and our upper quartile. So now I have 4 more data points here, and so I need to count 2 in from each side, because 2 is half of 4. And that leaves the number between 11 and 12 to be our median. So again, I'm going to take those numbers, 11 plus 12, I'm going to add them together and divide them by 2. That would give me 23 divided by 2, which is 11.5. And if you're pretty good with decimals, you know that 11.5 is right between 11 and 12. So 11.5 would be our lower quartile. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I have 15s and then the 19, 17. So right in the middle there would be our upper quartile. And what is the one number between 15 and 17? Hopefully you said 16. So 16 is our upper quartile. And again, you could add it together and divide by 2 to figure that out if you don't see that the 16 is right in the middle. So now you have your 5-number summary.